Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put the s go to the right, this one go to the left. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to y to the power of 3. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to 3y squared dy. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. Next, this one we change by u. Y squared dy we change by this one. Next, this one that is about e to the power of negative u. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 3 e to the power of negative u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one that is about s to the power of 3 over 3. Now we have the conditions. When s equals to number 1, y equals to number 0. So I will put number 0 gone here, number 1 gone here. And this one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. And now we put negative 1 over 3 go to the right. And we have 2 over 3. So we put 2 over 3 gone here. In here, sorry. And now we simplify 1 over 3 for the both sides. This is the end. Thank you for watching.